Kamalika, because we're getting some more updates from inside the court. This is what Kamalika is getting for us. Sanjay Roy's first reaction when he was found guilty is that he is being framed. Real people are roaming scot-free. Kamalika, if you can just break down for our viewers, what is it exactly that Sanjay Roy said in his first response?
Sanjay Roy was called on the witness box by the judge, and Sanjay Roy stood there. The judge told him that he has been found guilty under 103(1) clause, and also the section of rape is there. So he has been found guilty for raping and murdering this lady brutally, and that's what the judge directly told Sanjay Roy. When Sanjay Roy was told this thing, he was standing in the witness box. He was very calm initially, but at that point of time, he reacted by stating that he has been framed. He is not the person who has done that. He referred to a Rudraksh Mala. He was saying that he was wearing a Rudraksh Mala, and if he would have done that, then that would have been broken. That would have been torn. That's what he stated. He stated that people who have done it, they are outside. He has been framed. He is a poor person. That's why he has been framed. So these were certain things which were stated by Sanjay Roy. On the other hand, the judge clearly pointed out that the forensic evidence which was there, studying the forensic evidence, the biological evidence, the case is clear that Sanjay Roy was guilty. Now, when the order will finally be, when the order...
Kamalika, I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm just going to come back to you in a bit because you've been getting us all those details. We have the BJP spokesperson, Pradeep Bhandari, also joining us. Thank you very much for speaking to CNN News 18. I think you want to... We saw the statement which came in from the Trinamool Congress. The TMC takes it as an evidence of the proper probe in the proper direction, but at the same time asking for a death penalty for Sanjay Roy.
Well, Pallavi, it's the Bharatiya Janata Party which has been standing with the victims' parents since day one. What has happened today in the court is first step to justice. But at the same time, the people of Bengal are remembering how victim shaming was done by the Trinamool Congress, how there was an attempt to ensure that the evidences were tampered. So the Trinamool Congress on this day should apologize to the people of Bengal because something which the India Alliance, in particular Rahul Gandhi, was calling as distraction, today the court has concluded that the accused was involved in sexual assault, and all of us now hope that on one day when the quantum of punishment is announced, it is a death penalty.
And Mr. Bhandari, there has been a lot of attacks on the state government as well, especially on the issue of Sandeep Ghosh. He's been found guilty, not guilty, he's facing a case, an investigation into money wrongdoing and so on and so forth. But I know the TMC is accepting its fault, but do you think the mistake which was also made is the so-called shielding of Sandeep Ghosh? Is that a point which the BJP also wants to make?
Absolutely, because Sanjay Roy did not act in isolation. We remember how Sandeep Ghosh was shielded by the top echelons of the Trinamool Congress and close aides of Mamata Banerjee. The case on Sandeep Ghosh is going on. We do hope that the accused Sandeep Ghosh is also booked. However, at this moment, the anti-women characteristic and behavior of Trinamool Congress is in front of the people of Bengal, because this investigation, which could have been concluded by the Calcutta police, had it acted in a just and a fair manner. But unfortunately, the Calcutta police has become an arm of the Trinamool Congress and has become a political arm of the Trinamool Congress, which does not focus on justice. So the first step to justice has happened when the CBI had to step in and the court has issued the directions. But yes, today is also a day to remember how the administration in Bengal, in particular Trinamool Congress political leaders, tried to rush up this case as a case which was not a case of rape and murder.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, for speaking to us. Thank you very much, Ananya and Kamalika. Of course, this is going to remain the top story 5 months later. Justice given, but there are many other issues which are also now being raised.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings, a close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC TV 18 and CNBCTV18.com.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.